How to fix Xiaomi 15 do not disturb keeps turning on. So let's start the video. First of all, turn off scheduled do not disturb. Then open settings. In settings, you can see the option sound and vibration. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on do not disturb. Now here you can see the option scheduled turn on time. Now click on it, and if you turn this button on, then turn it off. After turning off this button, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and then click on apps and then again click on manage apps, and then you can see these three buttons. Now click on it and then click on other settings. Now here you can see the option reset app preferences. Now click on it and then click on reset apps. After reset the app preferences, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.